Dear friends, now we are going to learn the topic of behavioral science approach. Behavioral scientists consider both the classical rational economic model and the human relation social model to be incomplete representations of employees in the work setting. Chester Barnard, Barnard, was one of the first authors to take the behavioral science approach. He is best known for cooperative system, which refers to integrate in a single framework human relations and classical management principles. In the year 1938, Barnard stressed on two conditions if cooperation and financial success are to be attained. First, the executive must emphasize the importance of effectiveness, which is the degree to which the common purpose of the organization is achieved. Second, the executive must be aware of efficiency, which is the satisfaction of individual motives of employees. In his view, an organization can operate and survive only when both the goals of organization and individuals working for it are kept in equilibrium. It means that managers must have both human as well as technical skills that are required for goal achievement. Beside Warner, another major contributor to the behavioral of science approach was E. White Bake, B-A-K-K-E, W-A-G-H-T, White, B-A-K-K-E, who embodied a fusion process. Abraham Maslow and Douglas McGregor are other great contributors to the behavioral approach. Theory of Maslow was based on motivation and he considered three viewpoints. என்னென்ன சொல்றாரு? Human beings have needs that are never completely satisfied. Human action is aimed at fulfilling the needs that are unsatisfied. These needs can be classified in a hierarchy from the lowest to highest. In this respect, Maslow identified five sets of human needs as shown எப்படின்னா Abraham's Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. என்னன்னா self actualization, esteem, social, safety and psychologist. இப்போ ஒன்னொன்னா பார்க்கலாம். Physiological, safety, social belonging, esteem, needs, self-actualization. But McGregor brought a new perspective to management and challenged managers to think of subordinates as responsible, capable, and creative. He developed two theories, theory X and theory Y. Theory X அது வந்து மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு. அது என்ன செய்யுதுன்னா authoritarian, repressive style, tight control, no development, produces limited, depressed culture. இது வந்து மேனேஜ்மெண்ட். Theory Yனா liberating and developmental, control, achievement and continuous improvement, achieving by enabling, empowering and giving responsibility. Stop management. Managers under theory X tends to be autocratic, control oriented, and distrustful. On the other hand, theory Y managers view subordinates optimistically as individuals who want to take challenges in their working environments, prefer self control, and are capable of responsible, independent judgment. அதாவது தியரி எக்ஸ் படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மேனேஜர்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி இருப்பாங்க, ஆட்டோக்ராட்டிக் இருப்பாங்க, கண்ட்ரோல் ஓரியன்டா இருப்பாங்க. அதனால என்ன ஆகும்னா அது வந்து சக்சஸ் ஆகாது. ஆனா தியரி ஒய் எப்படின்னா மேனேஜர்ஸ் வியூ சபார்டினேட்ஸ் ஆப்டிமிஸ்டிக்லி, கூட வேலை பார்க்குறவனை நல்ல கண்ணோட்டத்தோட பார்க்கணும். அது இருந்தாலே வந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா தே வில் ஹேவ் செல்ஃப் கண்ட்ரோல் அண்ட் ஆர் கேபபிள் ஆஃப் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட். இப்போ தியரி எக்ஸ் அசம்ஷன்ஸ் அது என்ன வருதுன்னா the average human being has inherent dislike of work and will avoid if it is possible. தியரி எக்ஸ் அசம்ஷன் படி அவன் வந்து ஒர்க்கை வந்து தட்டி கழிக்கிறதுக்கு அவன் என்ன பண்ணுவான், முயற்சி பண்ணுவான். Because of his characteristic of dislike of work, most people must be compelled, controlled, directed, and threatened with punishment to get them put forth adequate effort towards attainment of the objectives. இதனால என்ன பண்றான்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு வேலை செய்ய இஷ்டமே இல்லாட்டி கூட அவனை கூப்பிட்டு மிரட்டி பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கொடுப்பேன்னு சொல்லி அவங்ககிட்ட இருந்து தேவையான வேலைகளை என்ன வாங்கி அந்த கோல்ஸை ஃபில்அப் பண்ணிடுறது. The average human being prefers to be directed, wishes to avoid responsibility, has relatively little ambition and wants security above all. இப்ப தியரி ஒய் என்ன சொல்லுது அப்படின்னா, the average human being does not have inherent dislike for work. People will exercise self-direction and self-control in the service or pursuit of objectives to which they are committed. Commitment to objectives is a function of the reward associated with their achievement. The average human being learns under proper conditions not only to accept but to seek responsibility. The capacity to exercise a relatively high degree of imagination, ingenuity, and creativity in the solution of organizational problems is widely not narrowly distributed in population. Under the conditions of modern industrial life, the intellectual potentialities of the average human beings are only partially utilized. Okay, so இதோட இதை நாம முடிச்சுக்கலாம். அடுத்தது வீடியோ அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கலாம்.